How to create a Salesforce snapshot report with G-Connector. G-Connector provides a much more user-friendly alternative to create snapshot reports than the native Salesforce functionality. It offers the possibility to save your spreadsheet with a different name, timestamped for convenience, in the Google Drive folder you specify. Scheduling a snapshot right after pulling data from Salesforce will let you achieve just that. First, we'll need to pull data to our spreadsheet and schedule its refresh so that our snapshots have the most up-to-date data. In this case, we've already done this. You can watch how to pull data and schedule automatic refreshes in our other tutorial videos. To schedule a snapshot of your spreadsheet, click on Launch in G-Connector's menu. This will open a sidebar with various options. Click Automations and Schedule Automatic Data Operations from the G-Connector sidebar menu. This will open a dialog box. Go to the Snapshot tab. This tab will let you define the prefix of the snapshot files, timestamp format, and the folder where the files will be saved. After setting this up, go to the Scheduler tab where you can schedule a snapshot automatic operation by selecting the Create Snapshot radio button and defining the frequency and time of execution. Click Add to Scheduler. Make sure to schedule it after any data pull operations so that you would be saving the most up-to-date data. Finally, select Apply to save the operation. For additional guidance on leveraging your Salesforce data in Google Sheets, explore our G-Connector tutorials.